Signs that your partner wants to return with his ex. Sometimes it seems that, for some reason, our partner continues to think more than they should in their former partner. Discover in this entry what are the signs that he wants to return with his ex. This may happen because perhaps they did not close the relationship in the best way, or you were left with too many things to communicate. But the biggest concern will always be if he wants to return with that person, because apparently, he thinks about it, which could be a very painful experience that would end any relationship. If you are going through this, you can also use our guide where we tell you what to do if your partner continues to send messages to his ex. Signs that your partner wants to return with his ex. 1. Makes comparisons. If he usually mentions unnecessary information about how they carried their relationship or tries to make you feel belittled next to his ex-partner, he is not only obsessed but he is mistreating you psychologically. Get away now. 2. Maintain constant communication. They call, write each other, in short, they are aware of the life of the other. It is likely that they are refusing to end their cycle and want to prolong it, especially if their reaction is recent. 3. Talks constantly about her. Talks about her in a peculiar way, for example, not with gratitude or indifference, if not with intense emotions, although they may seem negative. 4. Quick couple change. There was a quick change of partner so that he ended his last relationship and almost immediately began another with you. This does not necessarily mean that he wants to return with her, however, the likelihood increases since he did not have time to do his grieving and closing cycle with that person. If you do not feel safe with your relationship due to these signs, we recommend that you approach your partner and communicate. It is not bad to take time to think and feel things better. Once clarified, you can decide if you continue or wait for that relationship to decide the direction of each person. Remember that everything that costs you peace of mind is very expensive. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about the signs that your partner wants to return with his ex, click the link in the description below to learn more.